Hey guys, Dominic Zen here, and I'm just doing a quick video to review my last traffic order for my uh, Exitus Elite opportunity that I've been doing. This is my fourth run of traffic with Udimi, and as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, my fourth run. Hello, girl. Uh, I ordered 100 clicks, sticking to my budget. I got 110, 10% extra added on top of that, so that's an extra 10 clicks. And this time I went and, like I said before, I opened up an Aweber account and had everything sent to Aweber instead. So, I'm not using the autoresponder inside of Exitus Elite. I am building the list via Aweber so that I can actually talk and send emails to those who confirm their subscription at the moment. As you can see here, from that run of 110 clicks I got, I wound up with, this says 16 people that actually put their name, into the capture page. What do you want, girl? I'm just trying to do a quick video. Sorry, I got the girl down here. But out of those 16, as you can see here, only 5 did the confirmation, and of those 5, 2 of them unsubscribed. Which is that happens. So I got 3 on the list getting the email autoresponder sequence, and the rest of them, basically all these ones you see pending, all that is these guys, they put it in and they have not gone into their email accounts that they put in and said sure, confirmed it, that they wanted to get the emails. Nothing I can do about that. All their emails, as you can see, are blurred. And, if I really wanted to be an unethical frickin', marketer, email marketer, I could go and spam every single one of these people. But that's not me. That's not what I'm about. And, I'm not going to go and spam them if they didn't say they wanted to receive the emails. When we come back here to the overall stats of the list, here on my homepage in Aweber, you can see that there's only 3 subscribed. So only 3 people, if I were to send an email through the system, will get those emails, unless I by hand go and add the other people back to the list. That's not how you do business. I don't want to be just arbitrarily put on somebody's list. I know you don't. That's not a smart thing to do. Hello. Hello, you want to say hi to the camera? Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, good girl. So, anyway, just putting that out there. You had to get in the camera shot, didn't you? Okay. But, like I said, this was just my 4th run. Some of you guys say, man, this is shitty. You don't know what you're doing. You don't have sales. I haven't gotten any sales yet. But you got to realize, I'm still sticking to my plan. And I'm coming at this from the point of someone that doesn't have a lot of money. All right. They managed to get up with some money to jump into an opportunity where they can start to work the opportunity so they can eventually make the money and change their lives. 2, I don't have a big budget for advertising, for doing, ordering clicks and all that, which, in all honesty, I don't. I have a set limit every week, and that, comfortably gets me about 100 clicks, depending on who I order from. So if I can get 100 clicks every week, that's 400 clicks a month. Or do I go and just blow, all 400 clicks, this week, and then I gotta wait 3 weeks in order to buy more? Is that smart? I'm not so, I'm having to do it from the aspect of, yeah, I'm poor. I want to make a change. so I can do what I can do with the resources I have at hand. Not everybody, has $500-600 to blow every week where they can just be throwing 1,000 people at their webpage and get all those whiz-bangy, ooh, look at me, I made, $5,000 in 2 hours type of results. If I had that much money to blow every week, guess what? Maybe I would, but not everybody can. Once your business gets rolling and you got constant positive income coming in, you can then start snowballing your results and getting more and more sales. This is the slow burn. This is the grind. And this is what you're seeing from me right now. So this is reality of what most people are going to go through, and why most people, after a month going, oh, this is nothing. I can't do anything. I didn't make any sales. Well, yeah. If you're only able to make, get 100 clicks, out of 100 clicks, I got 16 people to opt in, and out of 16 people, only 3 confirmed and stayed on the list. You may get lucky and one of those may get a sale. But the reality is, that's not a lot of people. You need to have more coming through. Now let's flip that and think of it in this terms. That's only 100 people. What if I had 1,000? Okay, 1,000 people using those same numbers. 16%, that's 160 people, right? That's the 160 people. If I had the same numbers, I would have had 30 people on my list. What are your chances of getting a sale from 30 people versus 3 people? Jack it up if you had the money and you could send 10,000 people. When all is said and done, that would be 300 people on your list, 300 chances to make a sale versus my 3. Okay? So this is what you're fighting, this is what I'm fighting against. 3. And this is also using the double opt-in through Aweber. They're not going to turn it into a single opt-in, until I show more results and show more activity with my account. But then that doesn't even guarantee with a single opt-in I'm going to be generating sales every freaking week. That's the way it is. This is the game. So anyway, I've rattled on long enough, but just putting it out there, doing my review, of my traffic, and here shortly I'll be throwing out another traffic order, and I'll give you the update here in about another week. So until then, I'll see you on the next video.